Hello everyone. Oh, and Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. कैसे होता है मेरे साथ यार ये? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You might have heard about this new thing, this new trend that is going on, TikTok versus YouTube, TikTokers versus YouTubers. And इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे रोस्ट बन रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है. Many videos are being created on this, and here I am with this video because we can't roast, we can't talk about it like directly because it's out of context with this channel's content. So here I am with who is better at fashion or like dressing sense. Is it the TikTokers or the YouTubers? Let's find that out in today's video. And also at the end, I'm gonna share my personal opinion on this whole drama. So stay tuned and just wait till the end. So here's how it's gonna go down. We're gonna have a fair comparison. There's not gonna be any biased opinions on this one. This is gonna be completely fair. 3 creators from YouTube, like 3 YouTubers and 3 TikTok creators, TikTok people, whoever they are. So 3 popular creators from each team. And they're gonna be sorted by the number of their subscribers or followers in descending order. So in the YouTube team, we have Amit Bhadana at number 1 with 19 million subscribers. And at number 2, we have Bhuvan Bam with 17 million subscribers on his YouTube channel. And on number 3, we have Harsh Benewal, who has almost 8 million subscribers on his YouTube channel. And on the TikTok team, the first guy on the list is Riaz Ali with 37 million followers on TikTok. And at number 2, we have Faisal Sheikh, who has 28 million followers on his TikTok account. And at number 3, we have Manjul with 13 million followers. So both the teams are set, but before starting the comparison, here's a shout out to Yash. Thank you for that wonderful comment, and thank you so much for agreeing with me with those chapri nibas. And if you don't want to be a chapri niba either, who wants to be a chapri niba? But still, if you want to know style mistakes or fashion murders that these chapri nibas do, the video is right here. You can watch this video right now, or you can watch this video after this video ends and know which style mistakes make you look like a chapri niba. So let's start the comparison. And I want to be very clear here that this comparison is completely solely based on fashion, their dressing, their outfits, their clothing items, not at all anything related to their physical appearance or their physical features. It's just pure fashion and how they pull it off. And again, this is just for fun. This is just style breakdowns or like style analysis. There is no personal attack on anyone else. I am very non-biased here. So the first comparison is between Amit Bhadana and Riaz Ali. In general, both of their fashion is like, okay, they do it pretty well. Their fashion items, their clothing items, their accessories are okay as well. And the fit is good most of the times. However, execution wise, Amit Bhadana isn't the best at it. Like in this picture, I'd go for a grey colored joggers that matches the t-shirt he's wearing. The outfit would look much better that way. But here we won't really count this one. But what we can count is this one, this picture right here. As you can see, I'm not a fan of this outfit. It kind of has some chapri vibes to it, mostly because of the jeans. And the shirt, he really did not put much effort into that shirt. As you know, we have to style according to our body type. And here it's not like very proper. So what he could have done is he could have rolled up the sleeves in order to look much better. And many people can't pull off neon outfits right. And here Riaz has did it pretty well. And if you don't count the shitty editing job right now, I feel TikTok should get the first point here. So the scores are Team TikTok 1 and Team YouTube 0. And the second comparison is between our very own Bhuvan Bam BB Vines versus Mr. Faizu. We've already done the analysis and break down BB Vines, like Bhuvan Bam's fashion, in a separate video right here. You can click on it to watch the detailed video, in-depth video about BB Vines. It's like fashion. So we really don't need to talk about it right now because I've explained it all in detail in this video. So let's talk about Mr. Faizu here. As you know, I've said in my previous videos and also made a separate video on how to dress according to your body shape and why it's so important to like dress according to your body type. If you don't know anything about it, I've made a separate video that you can watch right now in order to know what body types are, what kind of clothes suit the best for that specific body type. And right here, as you can see, most of the times Mr. Faizu does it very well because he has that athletic physique, that V shape. So most of the outfits look great on him and he dresses well according to his body shape. The fit is mostly great, execution is great too. However, as you can see in this picture, here the joggers are too tight for the outfit. And I feel here if the joggers were a little bit relaxed fitting joggers and he had worn some kind of patterned socks, it could have been looked like on point. But right now it does not. And in this picture right here, I really don't know what he was thinking with the off-white hoodie, the white joggers, it's fine. But what is up with that hat and those shoes? Like, what are those? Like weird loafer looking things. Like, I don't know what those are, but they don't at all go with the outfit. Those two items are not meant to be in streetwear. So here's a point for Team YouTube, because there's like no fashion mistakes with Bowen Balm. So here's a point for Team YouTube. So it's 1-on-1 right now. And the third comparison is gonna be between Harsh Benewal from YouTube and Manjul from TikTok. Here, first of all, Manjul is good at his like fashion game in general. He also pulls off his outfits according to his body shape, and that's a plus point too. The color matching is overall well done. The fitting is on point. Well, there are not any fashion mistakes here. But in terms of fashion, he really does not try much or like try hard of going out of his comfort zone. He sticks to simple things and just sticks into his comfort zone. He doesn't get out of it, and that's why he just can't experiment on other things. And most of his outfits, even though they are streetwear outfits, they are meant to be flashy. They are not as flashy in a good way. And on the other side, Harsh Benewal here like slaughters the competition in terms of his streetwear game. Like, not in just comparison of Manjul, but I feel Harsh Benewal is the best dressing YouTuber in like the whole Indian community, not just in comparison to YouTube, but like any content creator who's like on TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube. I feel Harsh Benewal nails the streetwear look. He's good at pulling off great casual looking outfits and also hippie outfits. Like, hippie fashion is not very common, at least in India, but he pulls it off very well. Like, every single thing is on point. He's well aware of his body type and dresses according to it. And even though he is a shorter guy, he's not very tall, he really dresses well according to his body type and his height to just overall accentuate his look. And he looks really, really good in all of those outfits. And I feel this video isn't gonna be enough to just break down his style, his personal style and his, well, full-on fashion game. I feel I should make a separate video on Harsh Benewal's fashion, that what you can learn from him or like what things can be changed in his fashion. So if you want that video, comment down below. And if you don't know what streetwear or street fashion is, and if you want to get into it, I have a separate playlist on streetwear and street fashion, like hip-hop fashion. You can watch the playlist right now. It's right from the basics to just advanced level stuff, from everything like clothing, accessories, and whatever you want. It's all in the playlist, so you can click there right now or even go in the description below because it's linked down there as well. And with this third comparison, the last point goes to Team YouTube. Yay! Team YouTube wins. But hold on. As you can see, this was not a biased opinion. Even though I'm a YouTuber, I really don't care about this whole scenario. So here's my opinion on the complete thing. Okay, YouTubers versus TikTokers. Okay, this fight is like completely pointless, I feel. So like some TikTok guy just said this thing कि अगर हम YouTube पे आ गए तो पूरा तुम्हारा market जो है हम ले लेंगे, all the viewers will be with us, तुमको कोई नहीं देखेगा, हम पूरा कब्जा कर लेंगे and all that. Not a chance. That is not happening. Even if you try that, that is not happening. Again, hear me out on this one. Both of the platforms, YouTube and TikTok, they're completely different platforms. They're completely different agendas. उनके ऊपर videos जो डालते हैं, all the video things, and like on TikTok, you are meant to share short videos like 15 to 30 seconds or whatever it is. Short videos upload करना है. And on YouTube, on the other hand, on average, you need to upload at least videos that are 10 minutes long. So for example, if a YouTuber tries to make content on TikTok, it is gonna be hard for him, like really difficult for him to manage all that, like put all that content in just 15 seconds of time, because that is hard and we don't have the expertise in that. We will figure out a way, but still it's gonna be difficult at the first time. And on the other hand, if a TikToker tries to make YouTube videos, the same problem is gonna happen. You have to make videos that are 10 minutes long, like average to 10 minutes long. And at that point, तुम्हारा scripting का काम बढ़ जाएगा. Your shooting work is gonna expand. You're gonna take more time in shooting and editing your videos. and it's gonna be like totally different. That's something that you have never experienced on TikTok. I agree, people who do these roasts on YouTube, because I was one who did roasts back in the day, and I know that these people, as you TikTok people say कि हमारे नाम पे views ले रहे हैं. Well, yes, that is their job, that is their content. Like roast किसी को तो करना है. So bro, ये तो ऐसा हो गया कि like Carrie Minati roasted चाय वाली आंटी या फिर दीपक कलाल, and they both are like अब मैं YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करूंगा या स्टार्ट करूंगी और कैरी मिनाटी का धंधा चौपट कर दूंगी. That is not how this work. You need to understand that. And look at this from a different perspective. We do not roast random people. Like if someone makes a good TikTok video, they are not going to be roasted. The only ones who get roasted are, well, cringy creators. And you can't deny this fact that, hey, cringe is on both sides. Cringe is on YouTube and cringe is on TikTok as well. But you can't deny this fact that there's more cringe on TikTok. That is like a straight up fact. And that is the very reason why TikTok does not have a good reputation, why it has a chapri reputation. However, I'm not saying that all creators on TikTok are chapri. No, there are good creators. For this video, I had to download TikTok on my phone for the first time in my life, and it wasn't really that bad. There are good creators and there are people who work hard. So I don't really think that there is any point of us fighting in between. At the end, we are just creators. It's our job to create content for our audience. So instead of having this whole drama thing and just fighting each other, we can just cooperate each other, support each other, and grow together. That is gonna be much better. And again, as I said before, even though I'm a YouTuber, I support no one in this fight. As a creator myself and as creators, we need to support each other and respect each other's content. Again, at the end, we are just creators creating different types of content on different types of platforms. So well, that's it. That is my whole opinion on this one. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you did not like this video so that I can improve my future videos. And if you want more style related videos, style breakdowns and all that, like everything related to fashion, streetwear in general, please consider subscribing to this channel, because I come up with content with like almost every alternate day. So a lot of content for you. And just comment down below what video you want me to make, and I might just end up making the video you just ordered. So that's great. And also you can win a shout out because of your suggestion or your comment in the next video. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can follow me there and talk to me directly, whatever you want. And I also have my Snapchat. It's right here. You can add me on Snapchat and talk to me there as well. And again guys, it will be massively appreciated if you subscribe my channel and help me grow on our journey. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.